Hello students, welcome all of you. So today we will discuss our new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. It is a chapter 3rd of our NCERT book class 9. Okay, so in this coordinate geometry we will study about plane, Cartesian plane, that how to locate a particular point on a given plane. Okay, so in the previous classes we have studied about this number line. All of you are very this number line is common to you all. So in this number line what we have studied, that when we have to locate a point on a number line, okay, and also how to describe the position of a point on that line. For example, this is a number line, we have to draw a number line, so we know it very well that in a number line, if this is 0, then the right part, the right hand side, that is the positive parts, and the left hand side, that is the negative part. And if you have to represent some number, for example you have to represent 2 also, so you can represent it easily. You can represent terminating number, as well as in the first chapter we have also studied about. So now in this chapter what we will study, we will learn how to locate a point on a plane. Here we will discuss about plane, that how to locate a particular point on a plane, or we also find out the position of a point on a plane. For understanding this concept in a better way, first of all we will discuss few of the examples. So for more clearance, just see few of the example here. First of the example, the diagram you are seeing here, it is related to the suppose in a town a main street road is there from the direction west to east, okay, and many streets are there. You are seeing here street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the streets. This one is the main street, and the remaining all they are the streets. Now the numbering you are seeing here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, they are the houses. Okay, on that particular street they are the houses. So if you want to find some position, for example you want to find the position of P's house, so where it is? This is the main road going towards it. Okay, so it is in street number 4. When you want to locate it, it is in the street number 4 and it is the house number 3. So you can easily locate it. That is street number 4 and house number 3. Similarly, if you want to locate the position of Q, just see where Q is. It is in street number 5, and where it is located, house number it is 2. So this is the way you can easily locate a particular house in a street. Okay, one more example is there. For example, this is a sheet of paper. In this sheet or in this hardboard I am saying that I have put a point P and I want to locate its position, that where P is situated. So what I will do? I just try to locate that what is the dimension of it. Okay, if I want to say that from the bottom edge. Okay, so from the bottom edge if I count it, it is 5 centimeter. And from this one, the left one, it is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so what I will explain, what I will say, that this point P, it is located, if I give it the name A and B, then AP is 1.5 centimeter and BP is 5 centimeter. So what I say, P is located 1.5 centimeter from this A point, that is from the left part, and from the bottom it is located above the 5 centimeter. So this is the way I am locating this point P on that sheet of paper. Okay, one more example we will see here. By these all example, it is easier for you to understand what we will talk about in coordinate geometry, how to solve the questions, how to locate the points there. Okay, for example, this one more example we are seeing. For example, you are sitting in a classroom. Okay, just consider the example that you are sitting in a classroom. Okay, so for example, this is the teacher's table. So this is the classroom. These your benches and tables are arranged in columns and rows, and I want to find out particular position of a particular student. For example, I want to find out this. I am giving it a name. A student is there, Neha, and I want to find out its location. I want to find out its position. So how we will find out? These are the column, these are the rows. I will numbering it 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 1 2 3 4. So if you want to locate the position of Neha, what you say? That column is 3, column number 3, and row number is 2, row number is 2. Okay, for example, one more example you can consider. For example, a student is there, Khushi, and you want to locate her position. So where she is there in that, you are saying that in their classroom, if you want to locate her position, then where she is? When you are considering about Khushi, then where she is? Just see the column where she is, column number 1 and row number 4. So that is the way we are locating the different object or different situation, different points in some plane. Here we are locating it. Okay, so with the help of these all, now we will discuss the questions of our exercise. Okay, this is only the introductory part for the coordinate geometry. With the help of this, we will discuss the questions of our exercise. Thank you.